Hello YouTube land and welcome to my channel. So in the first part of the makeover of the wallet we made this this rocket, and last time we made Snowy and the bones, and this time in part 3 I'm going to make Professor Tournesol here. Maybe I will do something out here, but I'm not quite sure. So yeah, for part 3 we are going to do Professor Tournesol. Thank you for tuning in and enjoy the super fast time lapse. So that was the time lapse of me drawing Professor Tournesol. I think it turned out okay. By the way, this is the following day, and it has been drying, and I have been spraying the varnish on. One thing I noted was that I don't know if you can see it properly, but here it's kind of cracked a bit. I think I put a too thick of a layer on it, and when it dried up it kind of cracked. I have been trying to fix it with a new small layer on it, and also an extra layer of varnish afterwards, and it sort of fixed it, but you can still see it. It also had a little bit there and a little bit there, but that is completely gone, so it was just the major point there. I'm okay satisfied with it. I didn't unfortunately had the proper skin tone, so I went with the cartoonish light pink, so that will have to do. Overall I'm satisfied, and I hope that you are enjoying this, and hope to see you on the part 4, where I will draw a new thing here. I think that I will do a Captain Haddock, the iconic Captain Haddock with his pipe. So yeah, thank you for watching, and consider subscribe, give this video a like or a dislike, and you are very welcome to browse around my channel and yeah, and be entertained and relaxed. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.